Welcome. Today in front of me REALME GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the convenience tool. Now just go here to the screen recording and see here you'll see there sound settings. For example, you can turn on or turn off the record system sound to record system sounds while you make a screen recording, or also you can record your microphone sound. Just tap here on the switchers and that's it. If you want to just turn it off, so tap on the switchers again, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.